Start by setting yourself up on the floor underneath the barbell so that you're able to hold yourself off the ground with your arms straight. As for the working arm, basically do whatever you want with it so it's comfortable and not assisting with the movement. If you don't have a barbell to use, you can use a sturdy broom, a microphone stand, or anything else, just as long as it won't break on you. From here, you have a few options. Either keep your knees bent with your feet flat on the floor, keep your knees straight but heels in contact with the floor, or keep your knees straight with your feet elevated onto a bench or some other object. Just know that the intensity and difficulty of the exercise will increase with the alternate variations given in their respective order. Regardless of your choice, the movement's the same. Keep your back level and pull your chest up to the bar while allowing your elbows to move at roughly a 45-degree angle out to the sides. We don't want your elbows flaring out, nor do we want them hugged tight to your sides. Squeeze through your shoulder blade, return back to the starting position, and repeat for the given reps or time on each side.